I got it. In the sci-fi movie Kill Autumn, a winged aircraft appeared. It has 8 pieces of nail fluid, which can move its wings up and down mountains, and achieve various difficult movements in the air. When approaching the base, the metal dragonfly can quickly close its wings and stick to its side, and dive down like a dart to land accurately. In fact, this kind of aircraft is an imitation dragonfly. You must know that dragonflies are the flying kings of the insect world. They can hover 360 degrees in the air and fly up and down at any time, up to 50 kilometers per hour. Looking at the performance of the flying machine in the movie, it is almost exactly the same as the agile dragonfly. So can this kind of flying machine be realized in reality? A long time ago, humans longed to fly like birds, and even the novelist Leonardo da Vinci designed the blueprint of the ornithopter. At first, people used feathers to make wings and put them on their bodies to try to fly. But after many failures, humans began to realize that it was not realistic to simply want to fly through feathered wings, so they began to look for a machine to replace feathers. After a long period of exploration, fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters eventually carried humans into the sky. But people still did not give up the idea of developing large manned aircraft. However, even from the current level of human technology, this is still quite difficult. And even in the next 10 years, we are not sure that we can develop such a large ornithopter. The main difficulties are as follows. Aerodynamic principles, power sources and control systems have yet to be solved.